Hi everyone, today let us discuss about how to switch on laser light with IR sensor using Arduino board. You can see that I have kept an object in front of the IR sensor, so then IR sensor detected the blocked object and send the signal to the Arduino dot, then Arduino sent the electric power to the laser light. Now then you can see the laser falls on. To make this project I took an Arduino board, and laser, an IR sensor, and some wires. Let's build. Connect the VCC pin of the IR sensor to the 5V pin of the Arduino. Connect the GND pin of the IR sensor to the GND pin of the Arduino. Connect the out pin of the IR sensor to digital pin 2 of the Arduino. Connect the positive terminal of the laser module to a digital pin of the Arduino. Connect the negative terminal of the laser module to the GND pin of the Arduino. Make sure to double-check the pin assignments and connections based on the specific hardware used. Also, note that some laser modules may require additional components to be properly controlled by the Arduino. Let's code. The code is an Arduino program that uses an IR sensor and a laser module to detect a hand wave and turn on, off the laser accordingly. The program starts by defining the pins used by the IR sensor and the laser module. Then, in the setup function, the program initializes the pins and sets the initial state of the laser module to off. In the loop function, the program continuously checks if the IR sensor detects a hand wave by reading the input state of the IR sensor pin. If the input state is high, the program turns on the laser module by setting the output pin to high. If the input state is low, the program turns off the laser module by setting the output pin to low. It's important to note that the code is a basic example and may need to be adjusted based on the specific hardware used and the intended functionality. Additionally, proper positioning and calibration of the IR sensor are necessary for reliable hand wave detection. If you want to learn more from my channel, please like, share, and subscribe.